Well, here we have an old Krups. It's a good maker, but you have to start with good coffee. Now, some people are into their gourmet coffee. I think this stuff is pretty good. And it's Arabica. Now for a whole, I use the unbleached filters. Well, I just eyeball it. For me, that's great for a whole pot. I use filtered water. Nice steaming hot coffee at home with your electric coffee maker. Through the magic of photography, we fast forward to the finished coffee. It's a wonderful thing. So if you don't have an electric coffee maker at home, get one. It's a beautiful thing.